Hi, today our class topic is how to write a content using AI, and today I'll show how to write a content using AI. And currently you want to rank your content on website in Google SERP. SERP means search the result page in overview section, and then you need to follow some strategy. Let's say I was collect one keyword. Now I type this keyword in Google search bar, and this keyword is how to reduce face puffiness. Google overview. Our main goal is how to rank my content in this overview. Like when I search or you are think our audience or user search this keyword or relevant keyword, after that they are show the overview. And our main goal is our content is ranked in this first position, and then getting more traffic, leads, sales and impressions. Then you can ask me how to do rank our content in this first position, and what should I do? Well, this is a good question. You want to rank your content in this first position, then you need to follow three guidelines. First is follow Google requirement and follow all SEO updates. Second is EEAT. EEAT means experience, expertise, authoritatiness and trustworthiness. And third is geo-specific content. Your content is geo-specific content, then Google AI bot, and then other AI tools like ChatGPT, Grok, Google Cloud and other AI tools are perfectly understand your content. Then your content is they are collect your content and they are show the their search result. That's why we need to be right now our content is geo-specific content. Now I go to the WordPress CMS. All this is our WordPress CMS, but our main video, class part is how to write a content using AI. Actually I am using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the best AI writing tool nowadays. That's why I am using AI. Actually I was make one prompt. This is a prompt. Now I use this prompt and go to the ChatGPT, click writing ChatGPT writing this content. Okay, this is our content. Now I go to the WordPress dashboard, click add new page. Now I enter my title. My content title is how to reduce face puffiness, nature, safe and effective method. And when you are past this your title, after that automatically say save slug option. Now I change my slug option. Okay, now I enter my full content in this page. Okay. After that I will add the images, then add internal link. Internal link is very important nowadays any content, because Google is still announced. Internal linking is very important. The main reason is when Google crawler are come your website, then Google are come link to link visit your every pages. That's why we need to be a internal linking. Okay, now I add the images. Okay, this is our main part. When I optimize my content for SEO, then I use the two plugin. First is RankMath and second is Yoast. Basically I am using RankMath. RankMath is the one of the best SEO optimizing tool in right now. Now I click the RankMath, then add my focusing keyword, then I edit my snippet, and I again go to the ChatGPT. After ChatGPT has given me the meta title and meta description. Okay, now I add the outbound link. Outbound link is very important for your optimizing content. Well, now my score is 84. That is enough and good. Okay, now I click publish, and now go to my Google Search Console account. Click start now, then enter my URL. My URL is this, copy, then go to, then click enter, When I click request index, just I am showing how to write a content, not plagiarize content, fully geo specific content. Thank you so much. I hope everyone is understand.